All right, now for the rear wiper blade, we're gonna grab over here and spread this part, and that should let go. Once that let go, we're gonna get a screw here. We're gonna be taking that bolt off. It's gonna be a 10 millimeter. Important note, always remember the way it goes in. You don't want it to put it back in crookedly in one way and then have it go wrong. So always remember the way it goes back in. All right, with it off now, we're gonna go on and take a look at our new wiper blade. All right, now we're gonna install our blade back in. Always remember to put it back in the same position it was. Now grab the 10 millimeter nut and start putting it in by hand. And give it a little quick tight. And now put the cover back in. And that's how you do your rear wiper blade. This is a 2023 Nissan Ariya. We're going to be doing the rear wiper blade.